thought it was a shelf. I'm so happy it's here, but it's not the shelf. We really need the shelf. I have the software downloaded. And all that came with it was the cord, the blade housing, and the pen adapter. I did not get my bundle. I'm sure it'll arrive later. I hope you like, subscribe, and leave me a comment about your tips and tricks since... Okay, y'all. So I first heard about the machine on Facebook, and I know their Kickstarter got shut down, but their Indigo went through. I was backer number 128. Standard 2-prong adapter, we love that. Standard printer cable attachment with USB for your laptop or computer. Red blade, blue blades. We got 2 of each, and I have plenty of extras. Pen adapter and blade housing. It says what you need. Heat transfer vinyl. I didn't know there was such a thing as heat transfer paper. Printable vinyl, etc. Self-adhesive vinyl, sublimation paper. It says the machine weighs 14 pounds. It's 24 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and 5 inches high. It comes with the machine and the instructions, as well as our cord, our adapter, our pen adapter, our blade housing, and our 4 blades. Welcome to the first generation LokLik. Instructions are in English, French, and Spanish. Dutch. Space for your spatula and tools. I thought it was going to be white like the picture online. So this color is really beautiful. I had brought lots of this color into my craft room this year. My family got me the Maker for Christmas. The LokLik is going to be very similar to our Explorer Air 2 that we had. This machine is going to be a game changer, I think. I got these little wheels on Temu. Power, pause, load, unload, and start. It says we power on the machine, connect it to our device via Bluetooth or the cord, then open the studio. I already have the studio open, so I better close it. Here we go, y'all. You don't have to tug hard or anything. You just literally pull that little lid and it does everything else. I have a pack of these off-brand blades. This brand, the blue is deep cut, red is standard cut. Make sure you're super careful. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Heather. I craft on a budget. I want to make all the things, but I gotta also have money for life, you know? Okay, so our standard 12-inch mat, I have a Hobby Lobby mat. It'll fit in perfect. I selected HTV. I gotta pick some colors, grab a shirt, and the files I used are from Creative Fabrica. I'll be sure and link everything, the machine, the software, the files, all of it. I'm so grateful that you're here with me. jack-o'-lantern smile. We did just fine. And in the little cup holder, there's little nibs to hold your tools. I did not cut anything twice. Normally on the Maker I would. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you want to subscribe. Please leave a like, a comment, and check out those links in the description. Have the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this.